home's design hid the kitchen between the dining room and living room, blocking the fantastic views of Puget Sound. Removing walls, adding beams, and rearranging the floor plan, Sockeye Homes provided an unobstructed view in all common spaces. In the new entry design, the team added a double-sided stone fireplace with a gallery-style shelf, providing a focal point on one of the few walls in that space. They repurposed space from the master bedroom to increase and reconfigure the master bathroom and provide for a larger guest bathroom. The homeowners love the functional and beautiful new space.